All right, hey, welcome back to Take a Shave with Davey. All right, today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to shave the noggin. So stand by and let's get this thing going. So first thing you do, I'm not going to go into the detail of loading the razor and everything, but I'll put a link to my previous video that goes into all of that. So we can go back to that the video and watch it and learn how to load the razor and all that. So anyway, I treat my head just like I do my face. I'll wet it down real good. I just got out of the shower too, so my hair is nice and wet. What hair that I have is wet. So, but I'm also going to use some shave butter, and I'm going to put it a little bit in my hand here, not a whole lot, just a little bit in my hand. Rub it on, just helps the razor glide a little better. Okay. And I'm going to take a little bit of shaving soap. Put it on. Use the brush. I got the brush that's loaded up, get it wet. And then put it in here. Build up some lather. So then I'm just going to put it on right on top of the shea butter. Try to keep it as moist as I can because this particular brand tends to dry out quick. So just kind of paint it on. All right. Today I'm going to be using the Henson AL13, but this is a medium aggressiveness blade. So we'll see how this is. First time I've used this one, so we're going to see how it works. Now, typically I would tell you, if your first time you're doing it, I would tell you to shave it with the grain or with the flow of the hair. I'm just going to start off in the back like I normally do and just shave up. Again, it's the same way when you do put it on your face. You got to find your angle. So you kind of lay it on your head, and if you start off at a 90 degree, then you lay it down until you hear it start grabbing the hair, then you're good to go. So again, take short strokes so you don't cut yourself and give you razor burn. Turn around so you can see kind of what I'm doing here. Again, take your time with it. No need to rush. Come back around this way. up a little bit. It's like I said, this stuff dries out pretty good, pretty quick. So. Now I'm just going to come all the way over. The blades I'm using on this are brand made by Feather. It's our Feather blades. Fairly new to these blades, but I'm liking them because they are super, super sharp. And you can actually hear feedback from this razor. So okay, now I'm going to come across the grain. Now I'm just feeling to see some areas that I've missed. I'll go up. Kind of your head is kind of the same way as your face. You got to kind of map it and see which way your hair is growing so you can go against that grain. Or you're always gonna, if you don't know how it's flowing, how your hair grows, you're gonna miss it. You're gonna have spots that aren't gonna feel like they're close. So always kind of map your head and so you'll know which way the grain's going on these, on your head. So. All right. Right below my ear here, I always forget that. So. That's pretty good. A little bit back here on my neck, and we still need to. All right, that's good. Ooh. So, if you ask yourself, hey, should I shave my head with a safety razor? Heck yeah, man, it does a great job. Again, the key to it is, again, taking your time, mapping your face, taking your time, and taking those short strokes. But the biggest one of all is taking your time. So that's pretty much it. And I'm going to, again, I treat my head just like I treat my face. So I'm going to put some of the Thayers toner on. Oh, actually, wait, before I do that, let's try this. The Illume bar. Let's see if I got any mix on it. No, hey, that's good. I'm super impressed with this feather razor, so I'd highly recommend those. If you get them, you'll like them. So feather razors are, you can see it right here, feather. So it's good. Now, gonna rub that off. And I put some of the Thayers on. Just like a toner, a splash. Feels good. And again, I'm gonna go back to my go-to. It's summertime. We're getting warm outside, so I'm gonna use the Nivea face shaving balm. Put some of that on. Love that smell. All right, there we go. Like I said, if you want to get into some more detail on how to load the razor and seeing all the other stuff that I use here, go back to my my previous video. It touches on all that. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go and check it out. All right, until next time, go get a good shave, and I'll see you again with Take a Shave with Davey. Take care.